Hey everyone! Before we dive into today's episode, let's take a moment to set the stage. We're about to explore a topic that's reshaping the world as we know it: startups. You've probably heard the term tossed around in the news, seen stories about young founders making it big, or maybe even dreamed of launching your own company one day. But what really makes a startup different from any other business? In this video, we'll break down the basics, look at what sets startups apart, and uncover the secrets behind their rapid growth. So, let's get started and discover what makes startups so unique. Before going to video, please like, share, and subscribe so that you never miss an update. Let's kick things off by answering a simple question. What is a startup? You've probably seen headlines about new apps raising millions, or companies growing from a tiny garage to a global powerhouse. But a startup is more than just a small business with big dreams. It's a company built to solve a real problem in a new way, and it's designed to grow quickly. Startups are all about innovation, disruption, and finding smarter solutions to everyday frustrations. In the next scenes, we'll break down exactly how startups do this and why they matter. A startup isn't just any new business. It's a company that starts with a big question or a frustration that many people face. Think about it. Why couldn't taxis be booked online before Uber? Or why was ordering food so confusing before Zomato and Swiggy? Startups are born when someone notices a problem and decides to tackle it with a fresh idea. They don't just open another shop or restaurant, they look for ways to make life easier, faster, or better for everyone. This drive to solve big problems is what sets startups apart from traditional businesses. Let's look at some real world examples. Uber asked, why can't taxis be booked online, and change the way we move around cities? Zomato and Swiggy wondered why ordering food was so complicated and made it simple with their apps. Payment startups like PhonePe and Paytm saw the hassle in cash payments and brought digital wallets to everyone's phone. These companies didn't just copy what was already out there, they reimagined entire industries by focusing on what frustrated people the most and offering a smarter, more convenient solution. It's important to understand that not every new business is a startup. A startup is different from a regular small business because it's built to grow fast and scale up. While a local bakery or a small shop might serve a neighborhood, a startup aims to reach thousands or even millions of people. The focus is on rapid growth, innovation, and solving problems in a way that can be expanded quickly. This ambition is what makes startups stand out in the business world. Most startups begin with just a handful of people, often just the founders and maybe a few friends or colleagues. They don't have a lot of money, and their first product is usually a simple version called an MVP, or minimum viable product. But what they lack in resources, they make up for with ambition and speed. Startups move quickly, trying new ideas, learning from mistakes, and constantly improving. This ability to adapt and experiment is one of their biggest strengths. Startups often launch with an MVP or minimum viable product. This is a basic version of their idea, just enough to test if people want it. Instead of spending years perfecting a product, startups get something out quickly, gather feedback, and improve fast. This approach helps them avoid wasting time and money on ideas that don't work. It's all about learning quickly and making changes based on real user feedback. One of the biggest advantages startups have is their speed. With a small team and fewer layers of management, they can make decisions quickly and try out new ideas without a lot of red tape. If something doesn't work, they learn from it and move on. This culture of experimentation and learning is what allows startups to find what works and grow fast. It's not about avoiding failure, it's about learning from it and getting better every time. Technology plays a huge role in the success of most startups today. By using the latest tools and platforms, startups can reach millions of users online, automate their processes, and scale up much faster than traditional businesses. While not every startup is a tech company, most successful ones use technology to give themselves an edge. Whether it's building an app, using cloud services, or leveraging social media, tech is often at the heart of startup growth. It's important to remember that not every startup is a tech company. Some startups focus on new business models, creative marketing, or unique customer experiences. But in today's world, technology is often a key ingredient for success. Even non-tech startups use digital tools to manage their business, connect with customers, and grow faster than ever before. Startups are designed to scale. That means they're built to grow quickly, reaching more users, expanding to new markets, and increasing their impact. Technology helps make this possible by automating tasks, streamlining operations, and making it easier to serve customers anywhere in the world. The ability to scale is what separates startups from regular businesses that grow slowly over time. For a startup, growth isn't just a goal, it's the key to survival. Startups need to show that they can attract more users, increase their revenue, and expand their reach. This growth can come in many forms: more customers, new products, entering new cities, or capturing a bigger share of the market. If a startup isn't growing, it risks falling behind or being overtaken by competitors. Growth for startups can mean different things. It might be getting more users to sign up, increasing sales and revenue, launching in new cities or countries, or adding new products and services. Sometimes it's about capturing a bigger share of the market or building a stronger brand. No matter the type, growth is what investors and founders look for as a sign of success. Growth is what separates a startup from a regular business. Investors want to see that a startup can scale up quickly and become a major player in its industry. Rapid growth attracts more investment, helps build a strong team, and creates momentum. Without growth, a startup risks running out of money or being outpaced by competitors who move faster. To grow quickly, startups often need more money than they can make from sales alone. That's where funding comes in. Instead of going to banks for loans, startups usually raise money from investors who believe in their vision. These investors provide the cash needed to hire more people, build better products, and reach more customers. Startups raise money from different types of investors. Angel investors are individuals who invest their own money in early stage startups. Venture capital firms are companies that manage large funds and invest in promising startups. Sometimes, startups even use crowdfunding, where lots of people contribute small amounts online. Each type of investor brings not just money, but also advice, connections, and support. When investors put money into a startup, they usually get a share of ownership in return. This means they become part owners of the company and share in its success. If the startup grows and becomes valuable, their investment can be worth much more in the future. This win-win relationship motivates both founders and investors to work hard for success. The path of a startup is rarely smooth. There are ups and downs, moments of excitement, and times of doubt. Startups often pivot, changing their product or business model based on what they learn. The journey is about resilience, adaptability, and staying focused on solving real problems. Every successful startup has a story of challenges overcome and lessons learned. Pivoting is a common part of the startup journey. Sometimes the original idea doesn't work out as planned. Startups listen to feedback, study the market, and aren't afraid to change direction. This flexibility can turn a struggling startup into a successful one. Many famous companies, like Twitter and Instagram, started as something completely different before finding their winning formula. Failure is a big part of the startup world. Most startups don't succeed on their first try, but each failure is a chance to learn and get better. Founders who keep going, learn from their mistakes, and try new approaches are the ones who eventually succeed. The startup mindset is all about resilience and continuous improvement. A startup's success depends on its team. Founders need to bring together people with different skills, tech experts, marketers, designers, and more. Building a strong, motivated team is crucial for turning ideas into reality. Startups often look for people who are passionate, flexible, and ready to take on big challenges. Startups thrive on a culture of innovation. They encourage creativity, risk-taking, and open communication. Everyone's ideas are valued, and there's a constant push to find better ways of doing things. This culture helps startups stay ahead of the competition and adapt to changing markets. Successful startups put their customers at the center of everything they do. They listen to feedback, understand customer needs, and constantly improve their products. This focus on solving real problems for real people is what helps startups build loyal user bases and grow quickly. Startups rarely get everything right the first time. They use an iterative approach, launching a basic product, gathering feedback, and making improvements. This cycle repeats over and over, allowing startups to quickly adapt to what users want and need. It's a fast, flexible way to build products that people love. Before launching, startups spend time researching their market. They study competitors, identify gaps, and look for opportunities to stand out. Good market research helps startups avoid costly mistakes and focus their efforts where they'll have the biggest impact. Product market fit is when a startup's product perfectly matches what customers want. It's a key milestone that shows the company is on the right track. Startups experiment with different ideas, features, and marketing strategies until they find the right combination that drives growth. Once a startup finds product market fit, the next challenge is scaling operations. This means hiring more people, improving processes, and making sure the business can handle rapid growth. Scaling is about building a strong foundation so the company can grow without falling apart. A strong brand helps startups stand out in a crowded market. Branding is more than just a logo, it's about creating a unique identity, building trust, and connecting emotionally with customers. Startups invest in their brand to attract users, partners, and investors. Startups use creative marketing strategies to reach new users and grow fast. This might include social media campaigns, influencer partnerships, or viral content. The goal is to get noticed, build buzz, and attract as many users as possible in a short time. Acquiring new customers is a top priority for startups. They use a mix of online ads, partnerships, and word of mouth to attract users. The faster they can grow their customer base, the more likely they are to succeed and attract more investment. Startups experiment with different ways to make money. Some charge users directly, others use ads, and some offer premium features for a fee. Finding the right revenue model is key to building a sustainable business that can keep growing over time. Startups track key metrics to measure their progress. This includes user growth, revenue, customer satisfaction, and more. By keeping a close eye on these numbers, startups can spot problems early and make better decisions about where to focus their efforts. The business world moves fast, and startups need to adapt quickly to survive. Whether it's new technology, changing customer preferences, or unexpected challenges, successful startups stay flexible and ready to pivot when needed. This adaptability is a major advantage over larger, slower companies. Startups face tough competition from other companies, both big and small. To succeed, they need to stand out with a unique product, better service, or a more compelling story. Differentiation is key. Startups must show why they're different and why customers should choose them. Startups also need to pay attention to legal issues and compliance. This includes registering the business, protecting intellectual property, and following regulations. Getting these basics right helps avoid problems down the road and builds trust with customers and investors. Good financial management is crucial for startups. They need to keep track of spending, manage cash flow, and plan for the future. Many startups fail because they run out of money, so careful budgeting and financial planning are essential for long-term success. Partnerships can help startups grow faster by giving them access to new customers, resources, or expertise. Startups often collaborate with other companies, industry groups, or even competitors to achieve their goals. Strong partnerships can open doors and create new opportunities. Many startups dream of going global. Expanding into new countries brings new challenges, like understanding local markets and regulations. But it also offers huge opportunities for growth. Startups that succeed internationally can become major players on the world stage. Eventually, many startups aim for an exit selling the company, merging with another business, or going public through an IPO. These exits can bring big rewards for founders and investors. Planning for an exit is an important part of the startup journey, even from the early days. Startups don't operate in isolation. They're part of a larger ecosystem that includes investors, mentors, accelerators, and other startups. This network provides support, resources, and connections that help startups succeed. Being part of a strong ecosystem can make a big difference. Mentors play a key role in the startup world. Experienced entrepreneurs and industry experts guide founders, share advice, and help avoid common mistakes. Having a good mentor can accelerate a startup's growth and improve its chances of success. Accelerators and incubators are programs that help startups grow faster. They offer funding, mentorship, and resources in exchange for a small share of the company. These programs can help startups refine their ideas, build networks, and prepare for rapid growth. The startup journey is full of challenges: competition, funding, hiring, and more. But these obstacles are also opportunities to learn and grow. The most successful startups are the ones that embrace challenges, stay persistent, and keep pushing forward no matter what. Startups have a huge impact on the world. They create jobs, drive innovation, and solve problems that affect millions of people. Many of the products and services we use every day started as small startups with big dreams. By pushing boundaries and challenging the status quo, startups help shape the future. To wrap up, startups are more than just new businesses. They're engines of innovation, built to solve big problems and grow fast. From small teams with big dreams to global brands changing the world, startups show what's possible when creativity, ambition, and technology come together. Whether you're thinking of starting your own company or just curious about how startups work, remember, every big success starts with a single idea and the courage to try something new.